Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this famous cookie filter on TikTok. Okay, this is the effect. To get this effect, just go to your effect gallery. In trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. Suppose you can't see the filter here in trending section, what you can do, tap on the search button and search for famous cookie. Okay, the first one which is TK videos, tap on it. Okay, you got the filter. Okay, so suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery or from the trending. What you can do, go to your For You page and here search for famous cookie filter. Okay, you will see the effect icon on the top of the screen. Just tap on it and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. You can tap there to use the effect. Or suppose you are not getting the effect like this, then what you can do, tap on any of this video. Okay, on the bottom left corner of the video you will see the effect name. It's in yellow. Just tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect gallery again. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen and you will get the effect. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this also, then what you can do, let me go back. Okay, you can visit this website. Link to this website I will give you in the description box below. Okay, so here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it. You got the filter. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the videos.